Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete a campaign on Google Ads. To begin, open Google Ads and make sure you are on the main overview page of your account. This is the starting point where you can access the tools and navigation needed to manage your campaigns. If you are already signed in, you should be able to see the account dashboard and the menu along the left-hand side of the screen. From there, look to the left corner of the screen and click on Campaigns. This section is where Google Ads organizes all of your advertising campaigns, making it easier to locate the one you want to remove. If the menu is collapsed, you may need to expand it first so the options are clearly visible. Once the Campaigns area opens, click on Campaigns again if needed to reach the full campaign list. This will take you to the page where all current campaigns are displayed in a table or list view. Take a moment here to confirm that you are viewing the correct set of campaigns, especially if your account contains multiple active or paused campaigns. Next, find and click the campaign you want to delete. Be careful to select the correct one, since this action is intended for the specific campaign you no longer want in your account. It can help to double-check the campaign name before moving forward so you avoid removing the wrong item. After selecting the campaign, open the menu prompt associated with that campaign and click Remove. This option is typically found in the Action menu for the selected campaign. When you choose Remove, Google Ads prepares the campaign to be taken out of your active list. Finally, click Remove again to confirm the action. This confirmation step is important because it tells Google Ads that you definitely want to proceed. Once confirmed, the campaign will be removed from active use. As a quick tip, removing a campaign in Google Ads generally means it is no longer running, but you may still be able to view historical performance data for reporting purposes. That can be useful if you want to keep a record of past results even after the campaign is no longer active. And that's it. You have successfully removed a campaign in Google Ads. If you are managing several campaigns, it's always a good idea to review the campaign name and status one last time before confirming removal, just to make sure you are making changes to the right one.